एक सिक्का है जिसका दूसरा पहलू है मेहनत। मेहनत, मेहनत, मेहनत। यस। सो hello everyone and welcome to our How to Speak in English channel, and this is me Rupa, and this video is going to be very important for every people. If you really want to do something in your life, so this video is going to be very influential for you. So don't forget to watch this video at the end. Yes guys, and I am envisioning that I should make this video in Hindi so that the person who don't know English and who know English, they can understand each and everything very well, because this video is very crucial for everyone. Because I I have been noticing this kind of thing for many days. Like, people want to earn money a lot, they want to live comfortable life, but they don't want to do arduous work. Yes, but guys, if I talk about myself, so मैं अपने मेहनत पर और दूसरा भगवान पर बिलीव करती हूँ. यू हैव टू ऑल्सो डू समथिंग इफ यू रियली वॉन्ट टू बिकम a successful person in your life. If you want to become successful person, so आपको तो कुछ खोना पड़ेगा. You have to sacrifice. If you are ready for this, then you are going to get each and everything. And you should believe on your hard work and on God. If you are believing in these two things, then you are going to become successful. No one can stop to get whatever you want to get in your life. Because I know we are poor. I know right now we are undermined. But one day we can become so mighty. हम लोग भी बहुत strong बन सकते हैं. हम लोग भी comfortable life जी सकते हैं. But for that आपको मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. I can give you one story. Do you want to listen one story? There was a beggar in one village. So he was doing requests to all the folk, give me something for it. I have not eaten for 10 days, 11 days, like this. So one merchant came to him, and he was laughing on the beggar, and he was saying to him, if I give you anything, then my serendipity will also tempt. That is why I don't want to give you anything. But he thrown one paper, and in that paper there was written that किस्मत का दूसरा पहलू है मेहनत. यानी कि मेहनत करोगे तो मेहनत करोगे तो तुम्हारा सारा कुछ तुम्हारे कदम में आके झुकेगा. गॉड विल ऑल्सो कन्फ्यूज दैट, ओ माई गॉड, ये बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहा है, मुझे कुछ इसे देना चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा. यू हैव टू डू आर्डुअस वर्क लाइक दैट, सो दैट गॉड कैन इम्प्रेस ऑन यू, एंड यू कैन डू. बट वी डोंट पेशेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पेशेंस बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. इफ you have patience, courage, sacrifice, if you have this all kind of quality inside you, then you are going to get all the anything you can get. So patience, sacrifice, hard work, these are the three things that will help you to become success in your life. And you have to do हार्ड वर्क, बिकॉज हमारे पास एक ही बहुत मजबूत वेपन है, वो है हार्ड वर्क. अगर आप कुछ बनना चाहते हो तो हार्ड वर्क करना सीखो. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ, आई हैड नथिंग. राइट नाउ आई हैव नथिंग. आई एम डूइंग आर्डुअस वर्क. वाई? बिकॉज आई नो आई कैन चेंज माई लाइफ. आई नो आई कैन चेंज अदर लाइफ टू. और मेरा मोटिव क्या है यूट्यूब चैनल खोलने का, कि आई वॉन्ट टू हेल्प पीपल. The people who are saying that no, I cannot do, I want to help them. I want to bolster them. I know no one is bolstering me. No one is existing me. No one is giving me idea what to do, what to not do. But I am with you guys. I will bolster you. Don't worry. Situation can come. It should provoke you, but you have to be arrogant. Yes, you have to be stubborn for your dream. For your dream, you have to sacrifice with any situation. If you are ready, then you are going to get each and everything in this world. Yes, each and everything. सो अगर तुम कुछ करना चाहते हो, अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हो तो मेहनत कीजिए. मेहनत आपको एक सक्सेसफुल पर्सन बनाता है. You can see all the successful person. I was talking to one guy on the justice scale. He was not good in his study, but when he went in class 10th, like his eyes opened, and from that he started putting his extra effort, and right now he is living luxurious life, he is living comfortable life. So same thing you have to do. ओके हम में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है, मेरे पास बहुत सर्कमस्टांसेस है, बट आई कैन टॉलरेट इट. येस, आई कैन टॉलरेट इट. आई कैन टॉलरेट इट फॉर माई पेरेंट बिकॉज आई कैन सी दे हैव बिकम एनिमल फॉर मी. दिन रात एक कर दी है मेरे पापा, दिन रात एक कर दी है मेरी मम्मी, तो मैं नहीं कर सकती उनके लिए इतना? वाई नॉट? यू कैन. एंड आई नो गाइज यू कैन डू, बट यू हैव टू मेक योर सेल्फ स्ट्रॉन्ग. Because I can see myself. Sometimes I feel unmotivated, but no, I think no, I am not unmotivated. I have to become motivator for someone. So if I do like this, then how? So same thing you have to do. You are going to become motivator for other. So if you do like this, then how you will gonna motivate the other? How you can change the other life? How you can teach the other that life is not a piece of cake? You have to manage the time. If you know how to manage, you are going to get each and everything whatever you want to get in your life. So I hope guys you all have understand this video, and we are going to meet again with new another video. Hope this video is very enchanting for you all. Have a nice day.